चलो next question here. The tangent and normal to the ellipse 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32 at meets at p 2 comma 2 meets the x-axis at q and r. Find the area of the triangle PQR. What is saying here? One ellipse is there. That is the name is 3x square plus 5y square is equal to 32. Let's see is a vertical ellipse or horizontal ellipse. Divide by 32 on both sides. So x square by this is 32 plus 5y square by 32 is equal to 1. So I am going to get x square by 32 by 3 plus y square by 32 by 5 is equal to 1. But I think it is not useful that much. So what I do here, I don't want to write this one. These steps are not necessary because he is asking about the tangent. Okay, just chill. Okay, no need of this. Just I'll draw the diagram. Okay, 32 by 3 means what? 32 by 3 and 32 by 5. Who is bigger? Means to get idea, vertical or horizontal. 32 by 3 is right. So you can do this is a horizontal ellipse. Only for that purpose only I have written that steps. Other than that, nothing is there in that. So here horizontal ellipse is there. It is fixed. Horizontal ellipse we got from this idea before which I explained. He is saying that at point P comma at 2 comma 2 point there is a tangent which is cutting x-axis at Q tangent, and there is a normal. See, he is saying simply tangent and normal. First one is tangent. Tangent cutting point is Q, and from point P there is a normal. There is a normal point P. There is a normal. From this point, tangent is drawn and normal is drawn, and this tangent is cutting x-axis at Q, and this tangent is cutting via x-axis at which place R. Then he is saying that what is the area of this triangle? He is asking this one. Is the question is clear? Question clear? Question clear hai? Then answer is easy. First is our aim is to understand the question first of all. Right. So this is the ellipse at point P comma P2 comma 2 we took on one place. We have drawn one tangent at that place. So we have drawn that, and the tangent is intersecting x-axis at Q point. From the same point we have drawn normal, and that normal is intersecting x-axis at R point. Don't draw at the origin, don't draw like that. Okay. So this area you have to find PQR. It means that I need to, my target is to find Q point and my target is to find R point. And you know this is always, this will be 0 and this will be 0. Why is 0? Only my target is to find these 2 points, then my answer is done. So what is the equation of the tangent here? Equation of the tangent formula, can anybody say? Y is equal to mx plus under root of a square m square plus b square. This is the formula. But okay, here m to find it is difficult. I do one thing. Point is there. I point equation I'll use, not slope equation. I use the point one. ये तो slope है ना? Equation of the tangent for slope. When slope is given, but he is given point na. So point equation is given. What is the equation of this one? 3x x1 plus 5y y1 is equal to 32. I can use this na. अरे यार, understood? Equation of the tangent क्या है? You know ना? अरे x x1 by a plus y y1 by b is equal to 1. Wherever x square is there, replace x x1. Wherever y square is there, replace y y1. But this is in this form, which is previously you want, you can convert into that form also. Do you want that form? Previous form means what? X square divided by 32 by 3, y square divided by 32 by 5 is equal to 1. But awkward looks, again you have to simplify. However, the simple funda is here that wherever x square is there, we replace with x1. Wherever y square is there, we will replace with y1. That gives the equation of the tangent. So here 3 into x and the x1. What is the x1 here? This is the point where we may say that. So this is 2 plus 5 into 1 into y1 is equal to 32. This will give you equation of the tangent. Therefore, I can cancel here 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 18, 16s are. Right. 2 is common out and cancel out. So what is the equation of the tangent? 3x plus 5y is equal to 16 I get. This is the equation of the tangent. Means I got this equation of the tangent. But I want to find this point x-intercept. X-intercept means what I will keep here, y is equal to 0. Plug in this. If I plug in y is equal to 0 in this, I get x is equal to 16 by 3. Are you getting it? If I plug in here y is equal to 0, x will be 16 by 3. So this point is 16 by 3. Alright. Did you understand? Now what I have to find here? Equation of the normal. That also already I gave formula. Do you remember? Not today. Saturday I explained the formula. What is the formula? Saturday I gave the formula. You can use the formula. Otherwise, if you don't remember the formula, what do? You just find the slope of this tangent. What is the slope of this tangent? Slope of the tangent. Because I know you people forget that. I am telling this method because you forget. Otherwise, if you remember already, a special video I have done on that, how to find the equation of the normal. I have explained by formula only. Now, what is the equation of the tangent here? This one. Is it clear? What is the slope of this tangent? Slope of the tangent m is equal to what? Arrest slope of the tangent m is equal to what? Minus x coefficient by y coefficient. Minus 3 by 5. Tangent slope is minus 3 by 5. Then what is the normal slope? Normal slope is what? Normal slope will be what? Array, it is reverse na? With opposite sign. 5 by 3 with opposite sign reverse. Slope you have. Passing point you have. What is the equation of the normal? Y minus slope you have, point you have, straight line concept here. Y minus y1 is equal to slope into x minus x1. This is the equation of the normal. See, if you are not getting this, na, formula also I gave. Everything I am giving you, but you people are not taking. What to do? So 3y minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 10. This is the equation of the normal. Now I have to find this point now. So what I have to substitute there? Y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0 above. You can put it. So what do you get here? Minus 6 is equal to 5x minus 10. Plug in this. So what I get here? Minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to how much? 4 by 5. So this point what you got here? 4 by 5 comma 0. You have 3 points. You cannot find area of the triangle. You have 3 vertices, area of the triangle you don't know. What is the area of the triangle? Half into modulus. Tell me what is that? x1, y1, x1, x1, x2, 1, y1, y2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. वही बोल रहे हो? हाँ वही है, लिख दो. Till down you write down, I will explain next. See here, you got all the 3 points, right? You got all the 3 points. Now we will find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to what here? By the determinant method, area of the triangle is equal to half into x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so half is equal to, what is x1 here? 2, 16 by 3, and here 4 by 5. What is y1 here? 2, here it is 0, here it is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 by 2, find the determinant, open it. So 2 into, I am going to get here, area always in positive you have to take, not in negative. So modulus aata hai, actually modulus will get answer. Okay, remember that. So 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0, ये तो 0 हो गया. Minus 2 into, see here this one, if this one closed and this one closed, 16 by 3 minus 4 by 5, 4 by 5 plus 1, this into 0, this into 0, over. So finally I am getting answer is how much? This I am going to get 1 by 2, 2 into 0, 0, and modulus I told, that's why minus should not be taken. Minus 2 into this is, I am going to get it, correct? So 5, 3 LCM 15, 16 5s are 80, right? Right? 80 minus 5 3s are 3 4s are 12. Am I right? So 2 2 cancel off. Area is equal to A2 2 cancel हो गया. Modulus will become positive. 80 minus 12, that is 68 by 5. Is it 68 by 15? What happened? 68 by 15, cancel that. How much you get? The answer is 68 by 5 square units. Okay, so let's solve next question. So area of the triangle related to this one. Let me solve the next question.